Thank you so much. As you can see, many things happened during the previous season of Ballet Manila. We opened with Sleeping Beauty last March. I did my own version of Fakira with the world premiere last June. And now we are showing you the epitome of classical ballet, La Bayadere. And I also have a new hit. 8 days ago. To our dear members of the media, welcome and thank you for joining us here in Ballet Manila. We are here to talk about a ballet that holds a very special place in the history of our company, and I believe in the hearts of classical ballet lovers, La Bayadere. It has been 13 years since Ballet Manila last staged La Bayadere, and bringing it back today feels both exciting and meaningful. La Bayadere is one of one of the great classical ballets that has everything audience look for in a theatrical experience. Love, passion, betrayal, tragedy, death, beautiful music, magnificent costumes and scenery, and extraordinary dancing. And of course, as you've just seen, there is the legendary Kingdom of the Shades. It is one of the most beautiful and challenging scenes in the entire classical ballet repertoire. Why? Because you have to stand. The corps de ballet has to be very, very strong. As you watch the shades slowly descend onto the stage, one after the other, in perfect harmony and precision, it is an experience that stays with you long after the curtain falls. But this production is not simply about recreating a great classical ballet. It is also about bringing together generations of artists. We are incredibly happy to welcome back two extraordinary international artists, prima ballerina of Mariinsky Ballet, Renata Shakirova, and Kimin Kim, principal dancer of Mariinsky Ballet, who will once again share the stage with Ballet Manila. Their artistry and technical brilliance will undoubtedly make this production even more special. At the same time, I am especially proud that La Bayadere gives our own Ballet Manila dancers an opportunity to take on some of the most demanding roles in the classical repertoire. For me, this is what ballet is ultimately about. Not only about preserving the great works of the past, but giving our dancers today the opportunity to grow, to challenge themselves, and to carry the art form forward. Every production is a conversation between tradition and the present. And with La Bayadere, we hope to honor the classical tradition while allowing our dancers to bring their own artistry, energy, and passion to the stage. I also want to thank our wonderful partners, supporters, and especially the members of the media who continue to help us tell the story of ballet and the performing arts in the Philippines. Your support allows us to reach audiences beyond the theater, to people who may be watching ballet for the first time, and perhaps to a young person who will one day dream of becoming a dancer. So to everyone here today, thank you for helping us share this story. Welcome to Ballet Manila, and welcome to La Bayadere. Thank you, and good afternoon.